card at all? No. Why didn't you say what you get booked with? You get booked with?
I know, right?
It's literally like it'll be like a 50 play dollar thing. Just nothing. And it builds your credit.
Peeking out through the ooh, seeing a love struggle with flamingos and giraffes. Everybody has eyes on the zoo's.
Y'all still got that raffle going on?
Yeah, I was actually about to tell you about that.
Okay. What deals y'all got going? I'm getting some content for the channel, brother.
So, what deals are you looking for? There's deals all around.
Yeah, all around deals.
So let's start with like ammo.
Yep,
So
yep.
we can do we can bulk price your ammo. So it can be mix and match.
Okay.
So if you want a 9mm, like 5.56, 45, if you wanted everything, we can just bulk it up to 1,000 rounds.
Right.
You can mix and match deals. We got deals everywhere. We got some used guns. We got right here. We have all our Glocks. We have our HK. We have our
Oh
FMs.
wow.
If there is a gun in the store that's not in the store that you do want to order, it's about 3 business days total. To get
Okay.
it. So
Okay, that's fast. That's fast.
Right now, and also with our NFA items, we've been seeing as little as 2 days.
Wow. So that's like the suppressors.
Suppressors,
And,
SBRs.
SBRs.
We have a kiosk over there as well, so you can do your fingerprints, your tax app, and everything over there.
Oh wow.
We have people who can help you get set up with that. We got
That's
also
what's
Black
up.
Rambo's ammo right there too.
Oh, I gotta film this. Gunfreaknation, hands down, best gun shop in Michigan. Forget Detroit, forget Dearborn. I'm talking about Michigan. They got the Black Rambo. Wow. Look at that. Y'all saw him rocking y'all t-shirt. T-Lows. Wow. Yeah. This the one-stop shop here. What's our address, brother?
Our address is 5670 North Telegraph Road, Dearborn Heights, Michigan.
Okay.
417. We also have it on the card, just want to show everybody that.
All right. Got you. So come on down, y'all. Show some love. They just hooked me up. I got my KSG back. I took a lot of heat from my subscribers for getting rid of the KSG, you know. So they blessed me with another one, and they gave me an unbeatable deal. You feel me? So come on down, show Point Blank some love, and tell them TElectrik sent you. Yeah, this going on my Instagram and my YouTube, Facebook too.
We're also not only limited to what's in store, obviously, we're direct. We have M1014s everywhere. We
Oh,
have
yeah.
arsenals.
Right.
We're direct with everybody. We're
You
direct Magnum
you
research.
guys ship too also, right?
Yep.
You ship too.
Yep.
And they got a website too.
Yep.
So just Google Point Blank Firearms in Dearborn Heights. That website gonna show up. Yeah, this the one shop. This the one-stop shop here. Everything you could ever need is here. Yes, indeed. They got all the accessories, the optics. String lights, O lights. Oh my goodness, look at this. Rose colored gold. Desert Eagles. Holsters. Handguards, pistol grips. I mean, it goes on for days. You hear me? Oh, they got the BB guns? Oh, wow. Mags. Like I said, y'all, come show some love. Point Blank Firearms Gun Shop. You hear me? Point Blank Gun Shop, man. It's the one-stop shop. Everything that you ever could need. Yes, indeed. I wonder, do they got the Pro Mag drum for the AK? They got it all. Yes, sir. Point Blank. Can't beat that.